Hello friends, this is a home decor channel and today we are bringing you the idea of decorating your front porch or deck for fall, and we tried to bring you amazing ideas of decorating the wall of your porch and the couches, chairs, tables, and these ideas are just amazing in nature, and they're simple, and you can add some stuff, or you can add some hanging lights or some planters or some jars and vases to add some flowers, and you can change the look of your porch, and this will look just amazing. This outdoor setting will add enormous beauty, charm, and romance to your home, and you will be able to have an amazing time outside your home, and sitting on your deck among these beautiful floral arrangements or pumpkin arrangements, or there are some DIYs which you can make with some grasses, twigs, or leaves, and these are just amazing styles, and the colors and arrangements of flowers will definitely add more beauty and charm to your setting. In front porch is definitely plays a very important role in the whole decor of your home, and front porch is a place visible where you can come, you can bring your guests, you can sit there, relax, and have a marvelous time there. So you can choose among these ideas, and you can decor your front porch like this, and you can add this type of furniture, or you can DIY the material and lights and pumpkins and flowers, and they will add just a classic touch to your home, adding just a few number of planters and some DIY wreaths to your front porch will give a different and artistic look to your home. And we tried to collect the ideas which are just mesmerizing and amazing, and the floral arrangements are just amazingly beautiful, and the colors selected in contrast and in combination, they are giving just a romantic, cozy, warm, and welcoming look to the porch. This decor is just amazing, and you can add some cushions to your sofas and chairs, and the two can be in contrast or in combination, and in addition of some beautiful fairy lights will be definitely an icing on the cake, and your evenings will be bright, beautiful, romantic, and you will love these charming ideas. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel so we can keep on working on these projects, and we can keep on bringing these beautiful ideas for you. And I hope you will like these beautiful ideas. Thank you.